Why do sailing stones slide on their own? Imagine walking across a flat, dry lake bed and suddenly seeing stones moving without anyone touching them. It's like a natural magic trick, but there's a real explanation behind it. These stones, called sailing stones, are famous for their slow, mysterious movement across desert surfaces. They leave long trails behind them, and for years, scientists wondered how they moved without any apparent force pushing them. The secret lies in a rare combination of natural conditions. During cold winter nights, a thin layer of water forms on the surface of the dry lake bed, like a slick, icy sheet. When the sun rises, the warmth causes this ice to start breaking up into large floating sheets. Even though the ice is fragile, it can still support the weight of the stones, which can be very heavy, some weigh up to 700 pounds. Light winds then come into play. They push these floating ice sheets across the wet, slippery surface. As the ice moves, it drags the stones along with it very slowly. This process is so gradual that it's almost impossible to see happening in real time. The stones leave behind trails that can stretch for hundreds of meters, showing how far they have traveled. Scientists use GPS tracking and direct observations to confirm this process. They found that the stones move only when the ice sheets are floating and wind is blowing. Without these conditions, the stones stay put. This discovery finally explained a mystery that puzzled people for decades. So, the reason why sailing stones slide on their own is because they are carried by floating ice sheets pushed by the wind. This natural event creates a kind of ice shove that moves the stones slowly across the desert floor. It's a fascinating example of how Earth's natural processes can produce extraordinary and unexplained phenomena. This geological wonder shows how even the most unusual movements can have simple, natural explanations when we understand the right conditions.